What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how I made over $150,000 in passive income in the last 7 months online. Now, the reason I'm doing this video and other videos like this in the past is because I like to help people understand how this online world works and educate you on how you can make passive income online and the importance of putting in the work now and reaping the rewards later. So if you don't know what passive income is, it's usually when you put in a little bit of work now or a bunch of work now and the work becomes less, but the reward gets bigger. So what I mean by that is you essentially, let's say you put a bunch of work in for a month or 2 months, and then you put a little bit more work in and a little bit less more work, but the money keeps building up. It's like a compounding effect, or sometimes called the snowball effect. So let's dive into my computer and I'll explain to you exactly how I made this money and turned it into passive income. And then I'll take you through the steps of how you can actually do the exact same thing yourself and show you how you can create passive income online and show you the importance of trying to start an online business and actually following through until you make the passive income, where it gets much easier to do. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly how I did this and how you can do the same. All right, guys, welcome back. So in this video, you will learn how I made over $153,000 in 7 months in passive income. I'm going to show you how I did it with completely free traffic. I'm going to show you how you can get started with this. And I'm actually going to show you the true power of passive income. I'm going to show you the best way to make passive income today, because a lot of the old methods are not as profitable anymore. So you will learn the true power of passive income. So make sure you stay to this video because I want to explain to you exactly how passive income works and show you how kind of easy it is to achieve after putting in a little bit of work and getting the initial passive income stream set up. Once you have that set up, then the money will start rolling in. So you will learn a lot in this video, so make sure you stay to the end. Now on the screen, we have some results down here. We're going to be talking about 2 income streams in this video. One of them is from a program called Get Response, and one of them is from a program called ClickFunnels, which we'll talk about in a second. But here are some of the actual results from these programs. So this is ClickFunnels here. And as you can see, earn around about 300, 100, 500. We've done $3,000 days. It fluctuates between 100 to usually around about $600 per day on average. And you can see $144,000 from this particular program. And then on this one, we have, I actually just rounded it off to $1,000 per month. But this one makes around about, on the biggest month, I did $2,000, but it makes around about $1,300, $1,200. This month so far, I've done $600 per month. Now, these methods, guys, what I'm doing is I'm going out and I'm doing what we call affiliate marketing. And what I do is I promote these particular products. Now, these products, one of them is called a funnel builder, and one of them is an email marketing software, so ClickFunnels and Get Response. But you can do affiliate marketing in any niche: hunting, fishing, automotive. You don't have to do it in this niche. The only reason I do it in this niche, and I do it actually the fishing niche as well, but the reason I do it mainly in this niche is because I like to, this is my hobby. I like to do things. I like to build websites and stuff like that. So I promote products that I actually use in my everyday business. But you can do this in any niche, and I'll explain to you how to get started once we get more into this video. But first, I want to show you how I've made this money so you can understand how passive income works and how you can get started with passive income as well. So guys, method number 1 is a new one that I've been playing with. Method number 2 is the one that's brought me the most money. But first we'll go over method number 1 because it's actually quite interesting. It did work quite well, although I'm not really focused on it now. I'm just going to leave it there and it'll make me a little bit of money, but I'm going to focus on method number 2 more, and we'll explain that in a second. So method number 1 is really simple. There is a website called udemy.com where you can upload a course. Now, I know that a lot of people don't want to do courses and stuff, so we will talk more about what you can do in method 2 that everyone can do. Now, the course itself is completely free, and this is a free course on ClickFunnels. Now, I don't really care if I make money from this course, right? I think it makes like a couple $100 per month. But what I do is I educate people on ClickFunnels and how to use it, and I get a commission from ClickFunnels. So I say, hey, you can build funnels this way, that way. You can build an email list with ClickFunnels. And then what I do is I give away what we call some share funnels. So with ClickFunnels, you can actually share funnels. And I'll give away specific funnels, as you can see here. So I give away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funnels, and I say, hey, if you get a trial under me, you'll get these particular funnels. and then if they stay on the trial, I will get a commission. So a large chunk of my commissions is from this particular free course. Now you might be thinking, why is there a price here? Well, Udemy actually charges people for the course. So yeah, I do make some money through that, but I haven't included that. But I actually give out coupons to people and stuff like that. You can go give coupons to your friends and other people. But naturally, people buy this, they go in, they see that I'm giving away some free funnels, and they go and get ClickFunnels under me on a trial. So that is the number one method, guys. Well, method number one, it's not the number one method, but that's one of the methods that I use and to get organic traffic and organic money for ClickFunnels, right? But method number two is my favorite, and I've been doing this for years, and I want you to listen carefully because this is one of the best ways to make money online, okay? Passive income. So method number two is the best. What I do is I go and build what we call niche websites, blogs based on a specific topic. It could be fishing, hunting, golf, how to build emails, how to build funnels. So in this example, I have a website where I teach people how to build funnels, okay, in email marketing. And people will go and search a particular thing, and then one of my articles will show up, and they'll go to that website, and then they will click on the link where I get an affiliate commission. So there's billions of searches online per day. There's over 5 billion searches in Google every single day. And so someone will type, go to my blog, I have an article, a real simple article, and then they'll click on a link and they might get a trial or buy something else through ClickFunnels or GetResponse, and I get a commission. So to get ClickFunnels commissions, guys, and GetResponse, I have 2 blogs. Blog number 1 is a blog that I have called onlinedimes.com. This is an old blog that I have, and it still makes me a good amount of money. So ClickFunnels versus GetResponse, I show up the top. And if you go to this, guys, this is my blog, and I do a article comparing ClickFunnels with GetResponse. And if you scroll down, there's 2 links, one to ClickFunnels, one to GetResponse. And I explain exactly what each one does, and then they can click on the link. And if they go and see, if we click on this one here, GetResponse, when they click on that link and go and purchase GetResponse, or they stay on the trial and they start paying money later on, I get 33% for that person every single month. And as you can see, here's some of the results right here. So this is one of my blogs. You can go check it out. It's called onlinedimes.com. A lot of my followers already know about this particular blog. And I also have a thing up here called exclusive deals, where people click on that link and they go into a page where I have a bunch of affiliate stuff here, and we have ClickFunnels and GetResponse as well. Now, I have a second blog that I want to keep a little bit secret. Some people know about this blog. This blog here is based just on ClickFunnels and just on email marketing. And it has over 83 pages posted already. We'll talk more about that later on in this video, how many pages you should have and stuff like that. But it didn't take me long to do this. And this is a blog specifically on ClickFunnels and GetResponse. So that's what I'm doing. Now, the reason I build out these blogs, guys, is simple. They are worth a lot of money. These blogs I can sell for a lot of money, and let me explain. These are assets. You're building assets. This is a blog that a friend of mine purchased the other day, and he purchased it for $25,000 US. This blog is only making $300 per month. And you might be thinking, why on earth would someone pay $25,000 for a blog that makes $300 per month? Well, there's a few reasons. Number one, he can purchase this blog and he can just let it sit there and make $300 per month, probably for a few years, right? OnlineDimes.com, I haven't really touched it, and it's been making me, for 4 years now, it's been making me consistent money every single day. And that's why these are so valuable. Number two, when you buy a website like this, you can just keep building it up. It's already established. Number three, a lot of these websites already have articles on them. They might have $10,000 worth of articles, and you've just paid $25,000. And so you're cutting out a lot of work, and you can essentially buy the website and it just makes you money straight away. Not only that, here's another website that sold 6 days ago for $28,000, and it is making $1,300 per month. It's actually a better deal. And this is the website here, Top Life Jackets, lifejacketpro.com. And all people do is they write about life jackets, and then you can click on this buy on Amazon link. And when someone purchases this life jacket, that person who owns that blog gets a commission from Amazon. Okay, that's affiliate marketing. That's why I like building out these sites, guys, because they're so powerful. You can build a site from that's worth nothing, and then in 6, 7, 8 months time, it's worth $30,000. That's why I love building out these niche sites, guys, because they truly are the best way to make passive income online that's completely passive. You're not running any ads or anything like that. I mean, even with YouTube, this isn't really passive. YouTube channels aren't passive because you've constantly got to be doing work. But with these types of sites, you can do the work and then stop and it still makes you money. But how can you start this? How can you actually go and make money by doing the exact same thing? So we've established that the main way I make money with ClickFunnels and GetResponse is by running these blogs, okay? And you can do this within any niche. But how do you start, okay? First of all, I recommend starting a blog on a specific topic. But I recommend do what you enjoy. So for example, I just started a new fishing blog. I actually have another one as well, but that's because I enjoy fishing. If you enjoy hunting, you can start a blog on hunting and you can say, hey, I'm going to do an article on the best deer hunting gloves. And then if you click on this article here, they are linking out to Amazon as well. If you do a topic that you enjoy, it's much easier to write about that particular topic and it just comes naturally to you. So that's what I would do, is start a blog on something you enjoy. Now, what a lot of people really make a mistake is they focus on, oh, I need to start a blog on a topic where I can make money. Guys, don't worry about the money for now because you're not going to even be monetizing your blog right now. You're not even going to be trying to make money. You're going to be just trying to get the content out. And you can make money in any niche. It doesn't matter. Yes, it does fluctuate. Some niches make a lot less than others, but just focus on what you enjoy, okay? A hobby or something, knitting, DIY, doesn't really matter. So start a blog on a specific topic that you are part of or you enjoy. Write content hardcore for 3 months. So this is another mistake that people make. They will write like 4 or 5 articles and be like, this doesn't work, I'm not making any money, and they give up. Honestly, this is so bad because you're missing out on a great opportunity. You'll see here that I did 83 articles, right? I've done 83 articles on this. We're planning to build this out to 1,000 articles. Now, I don't write all of these. I do hire people. You see I've only written 19. But you want to do a lot of articles because that Google doesn't know what your website's about. So for the first 3 months, write as many articles as you can. Try and do 100 plus, and you'll see your traffic will actually start to explode like this here, which we'll talk about in a second. This is one of my sites here. The traffic is absolutely exploding, and this is just from content, all right? So you want to just write content hardcore for the first 3 months. This is the hardest part. Once you get past this, it's a lot easier. Trust me, it gets a lot easier. Now, after the 3 months and you've written a lot of content, go back, edit all of those articles and start to place your affiliate links. Don't worry about placing them in the first 3 months. You just want to focus on getting as much content out as you possibly can so Google starts to rank you. And then if you can or if you want to, build backlinks. I'll leave a video in the description on what that is about, what backlinks are about. You don't have to have backlinks. Eventually your website will start to get traffic, but it does make your website stronger over time. Then after you've done that, after you're 3 months in, go back, write more content and optimize more content, optimize your older content, and it'll start ranking in Google. You just want to focus on getting content out first. That's the only thing. But everyone overcomplicates it and they never really get anywhere because they just overcomplicate the entire process. But as you can see here, this is a site that's 1.5 years old. I did a bit of content here and then I stopped, right? And then at kind of like probably 5 months ago, I started just smashing content again, and look at this growth. Over 4,000 visits per month. This site's actually getting 1,000 visits per day now. This is very delayed, the software, but it's crazy. It just skyrocketed, and it's a compounding effect. Once you get past that point, you can slow down your work, but you keep getting the same results or even more results with doing less work. And these are some of the rankings for some of the keywords that I'm ranking for. I'm not tracking all of them. You can see number 1, number 2, number 4, number 5 in Google. Now, the money. This is obviously what everyone cares about. After 3 months, you should start seeing good results and the money should start coming in. Let's kind of look at a timeline to help you better understand how this works and when you actually start to make the money. So if we look at this time here, this is supposed to be the timeline of passive income, but I messed that up. So let's just say the first 1 to 3 months, you just don't make any money because you haven't got any affiliate links on. You just smash content, okay? Now, 3 to 6 months, you make around about $1,000 per month, which is pretty good, right? You might make a little bit less, you might make more. And I'm just going based off my work, guys. Okay, this is based off what I do, and it should be pretty similar to you if you just stick to that plan. And then 6 to 9 months, you do less work again because you're already making money from the older articles, but you're still writing some articles, and you could be at $2,000 per month. And if you want, you could stop at that point, and you can make $6,000 a month for the next 2, 3 years, 4 years. Obviously, every now and then you got to put some more articles on, but that's how it becomes passive, right? You make more money as time goes on, but you do less work. And if you want, you can do more work and make more money. So that's the timeline of this when I do my stuff. And you got to think to yourself, is it worth just having no money for 3 months or just putting in the hot work for 3 months and making passive income for the rest of your life? It is, because if you look at the old way of making passive income, this is a property that I found for this example. It's for sale for $165,000. It's currently getting tenanted for $180 per week. If I had a mortgage, it would take me around about 30 years to pay that off, and I would actually be negative. So the bank would want $226 per week, and the tenant only paying me $180. So I would actually have to put money in to keep that propped up. So you got to think to yourself, you can go and invest in property and stuff and all that sort of stuff, which is a great way to make money, don't get me wrong, but you can make a lot more money quicker by doing these sorts of affiliate marketing niche blogs. All right, guys, and as you can see, they're worth a lot of money. So if you want to know more step by step on how you can actually make these blogs, I do have some training up on the right. There is a completely free playlist that you can go to, and I'll take you through step by step how to create these blogs. I also have a video up there that you can click as well. So click on the right of the screen, and I'll take you through how to start doing this step by step. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.